Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to get YouTube Premium 1 month free trial. Follow these easy steps to get 1 month free trial for YouTube. First of all, open YouTube and click on this menu icon and here scroll down to this left-hand menu. Under More from YouTube section, you will get YouTube Premium. Click on that. So YouTube and YouTube Music will be ad-free. Here we can see 1 month free trial. You'll be able to cancel anytime and scroll down. Here we can see 3 different packages for YouTube Premium. You can select individual. Also here you will get 1 month free trial. If you select family package, also this package provides 1 month free trial. Let's select this individual package. And now you have to add your credit or debit card here. Click on buy. Now enter here your card details. Then scroll down and click on save card. And here we can see it's a free trial and I need to pay 0. Click on buy. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully started YouTube 1 month free trial. I'm going to clicking on my YouTube profile here and here clicking on your premium benefits. And here we can see YouTube Premium running on my account. So this is how we can get 1 month YouTube Premium for free. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.